Next, with DXN, this is important, be a mini DXN. If you want to be successful, you reinvest in a business. If you earn 10,000, reinvest for 1,000. In 20, you reinvest in meeting, in activity, come for training like this. 10% of your bonus, you reinvest. And more importantly, reinvest in seed stock. What is seed stock? Let me share with you. And you manage the investment successfully for repeated sale. Now, seed stock. When you harvest, for instance, paddy, rice. When you harvest, what you will do? You have to keep some. Why? For next season to plant. You cannot sell all your seed. If you sell all your seed, we have no seed to plant. Then what to do with this next season? You will be left with nothing. That's why you must keep the seed stock for reinvestment, replanting. So here you plant again with the seed stock and you harvest with this from the seed stock. One bag of seed stock you can harvest so much. In doing DXN business, likewise, you need to keep seed stock in order to reap a lot of money. For instance, this is your seed stock. Every day you water money. This is rupees. This is peso. Finally, it grow money. Yeah, it grow money. So you have to reinvest. If you do reinvest, you cannot make money. So remember, how are you going to the stock? Invest 15,000 of stock. We have 19 items here. Each of them you buy 2 units. It costs you 15,000. Now, we are trying to help our members to earn 6 digits in 3 years' time. 1 lakh in 3 years' time. You get my message? 1 lakh in 3 years' time. Can we do that? Yes. Of course you can. I have no doubt about you. What we need to do is not only you. There are many of them outside who also want to earn 1 lakh. Yeah? To make them earn 1 lakh, you must do business. Keep stock in your hand. Invest so that wherever you go, you can sell. You can do the business. You recruit and you sell at the same time. Without sales, no bonus. Without sales, yeah? Recruitment, no bonus. Recruit and sell, you make money. So you have to keep stock. Whenever you talk about coffee 3 in 1, you want to buy. Oh my God, I don't have coffee. You wait, I go to the stock keep. Tomorrow I go, after tomorrow I come back, 3 days you give a coffee. They will run away. Am I right? On the spot, you want coffee? Coffee, how many bags you want? 2? I have 2. Immediately you sell, immediate. That's very important in business. Yeah? After 2 days, oh, you sleep very well, we come back for coffee again. Can you see that? That is why we must keep seed stock. Yeah? This is a very important idea. And in DXN, now we have all this product. Until end of the year, there will be no stock out anymore. These are the product at RGGL, Spirulina, tea, cookies, noni, coconut, jewelry clean, soap, toothpaste, and coffee. Yeah? All this will not run out of stock anymore. Just give us 2 to 3 months from now. We can assure you no more stock out. We can send 1 container to your door. If you want, yeah? There's an assurance we can give you. Because we have prepared all the production line. Even DXN in the factory we have prepared. And we are quite sure to produce soon, yeah?